Crash Course on French Economy, an examination of France's economic history and current economic status, including its place in the global economy. Sure, here's a crash course on French economy. France is the sixth largest economy in the world and the third largest in Europe. It has a long and rich history of economic growth and innovation, from the Industrial Revolution to the present day. In this crash course, we'll explore the key aspects of the French economy, including its history, current state, and major sectors. Historically, France has been a major economic power since the Middle Ages, with a strong agricultural sector and a growing trade and commerce industry. This led to a major expansion of France's economy during the 18th and 19th centuries, as it became a leading industrial nation. In the modern era, France has continued to be a major player in the global economy, with a diverse range of sectors contributing to its economic success. Some of the top sectors include agriculture. France is known for its high-quality agricultural products, including wine, cheese, and other dairy products, as well as fruits and vegetables. Aerospace. France is a major producer of aerospace technology, including commercial and military aircraft, satellites, and space launch systems. Automobiles. France is home to major car manufacturers such as Peugeot, Citroën, and Renault, which produce cars that are popular worldwide. Energy. France is a leader in nuclear power generation and renewable energy, including wind and solar power. Fashion. France is known for its fashion industry, with famous luxury brands such as Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton. Finance. France is home to many major financial institutions, including BNP Paribas, Société Générale, and Crédit Agricole. Food and beverage. French cuisine is renowned worldwide, and the country is a major exporter of wine, champagne, and other beverages. Healthcare. France has a strong healthcare sector, with a universal healthcare system that is highly rated by international organizations. Information technology. France is home to many high-tech companies, including hardware and software manufacturers, as well as tech startups. Pharmaceuticals. France has a large pharmaceutical industry, with major companies such as Sanofi and Servier producing drugs that are used worldwide. Tourism. France is a major tourist destination, with millions of visitors every year who come to see its cultural attractions, landmarks, and beautiful scenery. Transportation. France has a well-developed transportation infrastructure, including a high-speed rail network and extensive road and air travel options. In summary, France has a diverse and thriving economy, with many sectors contributing to its success. Its history of economic growth and innovation has led to its current status as a major global economic power. And now, here's a poem about French economy. In France, the economy is diverse and strong, with sectors that have thrived for ages long. From agriculture and wine to aerospace and cars, the French have built an economy that reaches the stars. In fashion and finance, they are leaders too, with brands that are known the world through. And in healthcare and technology, they excel, with innovations that have served the world well. Tourism is another major sector of France, with landmarks and culture that leave visitors in a trance. And transportation, too, is well developed and grand, with options that take people from land to sand. From nuclear power to pharma, France has it all. A testament to its economic rise and fall, with a history of innovation and growth. France's economy continues to flourish and boast. Here is a song on this. Verse 1. In France, the economy's diverse. Industries that range from wine to aerospace, tourism, fashion, and agriculture too, are all part of what the French economy can do. Chorus. The French economy, it's quite unique. A blend of tradition and modernity. From the past to the present day, France's economy continues to pave the way. Verse 2. Technology and innovation are driving France's economy to new creation, with startups and entrepreneurs on the rise. France's economy is reaching new skies. Chorus. The French economy, it's quite unique. A blend of tradition and modernity. From the past to the present day, France's economy continues to pave the way. Verse 3. The automobile and energy sectors are driving growth and creating new vectors. France's healthcare industry is also strong, with pharmaceuticals that help us live long. Chorus. The French economy, it's quite unique. A blend of tradition and modernity. From the past to the present day, France's economy continues to pave the way. Verse 4. From luxury goods to banking and finance, France's economy continues to advance. With exports that reach the world abroad, France's economy remains a powerhouse. Chorus. The French economy, it's quite unique. A blend of tradition and modernity. From the past to the present day, France's economy continues to pave the way. Outro. So come to France, and you'll see the economy that's as rich as can be. From its roots to its modernity, the French economy is a sight to see. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?AD equals 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.